Welcome to 10th Standard Political Science Unit 2 Indian Foreign Policy. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First question. What is a sovereign country? A sovereign country is that country which is not under any other country's control either for internal or external issues. Second question. India has been considered as one of the major countries of the world. Why? India has been considered as one of the major countries of the world because, with its huge population, natural resources, military, intellectual, and industrialized capacities. Due to all these reasons, India has been considered as one of the major countries of the world. Question number 3. The foreign policy of India is also called as foreign policy of Nehru. Why? Jawaharlal Nehru managed the foreign policies of India as an external affairs minister apart from being the prime minister as well. Hence, the foreign policy of India is also called as foreign policy of Nehru. Fourth question. Mention the factors which influenced and shaped India's foreign policy. The factors which influenced and shaped India's foreign policy are national interests, geographical interests, political situation, economic interest, military issues, public opinion, and international situation. These are all the factors which influenced and shaped India's foreign policy. Fifth question. What are the basic aspects of India's foreign policy? The basic aspects of India's foreign policy are Panchashila principles, non-aligned movement, anti-imperialism, anti-apartheid policy, and disarmament. These are the basic aspects of India's foreign policy. Question number 6. Explain the non-aligned movement of India. Answer is, the world was divided two power blocks after the end of Second World War. The democratic countries were under the hegemony of USA and the communist countries were led by USSR. In those days, India followed the policy of being non-aligned to either of these blocs. It was successful in commanding the faith from both the blocs. It secured financial assistance from USA and secured military aid from USSR. It also dealt every international event independently and welcomed or criticized any issue independently. These are all about the non-aligned movement of India. Question number 7. India played very important role in establishing international peace and cooperation. Justify. Article 51 advocates for a foreign policy that aims at establishing international peace and cooperation. The Ministry of External Affairs of the central government plays a decisive role in formulating our foreign policy. It always considers our national interest and public opinion. Indian foreign policy aims at strengthening UNO. India strives to have strong foreign relationship with the countries of world through SAARC and Commonwealth of Nations as well. Moreover, India has been one of the members of UNO.